to my garden. It is mid-February and it is starting to feel like spring. I've quite a collection of hellebores growing in the garden and they start to look better every day. Even on cloudy days, my potting table brings a little bit of sunshine with the pale yellow flowers of the primroses and the violas. Behind the box domes I have a border where I have a group of hellebores in the right corner as well as in the left corner. Hellebores come in many shapes and colors, but I adore the double varieties. All the way at the back of my garden, next to the wooden bench, I have another display of hellebores. I've placed the hellebores so that I can see them from the kitchen window as well. This is my favorite spot to drink a cup of tea. Let's go back to the terrace where I also grow hellebores between the box domes. The pansies aren't looking very good anymore, so I'm going to replace them with tulips. On the terrace I have lots of tulips and daffodil bulbs planted in pots waiting to go on display. I'm going to replace the pansies with tulips. These are called Angel's Wish. It is a Darwin tulip in a creamy white tone. On the left side of the terrace I have a similar display, where I also swapped the pansies for tulips. Behind the tulips I have a daffodil named Ice King. It has a pale yellow tone. I've added a few more bulbs to the potting table. I love this tiny daffodil. It starts as a pale yellow and fades to white. Last year I've added these hellebores to the box dome border. It is a double pink variety called Double Ellen Piketty. I think it's absolutely stunning. In front of the box domes I have two similar displays of terracotta pots, and behind the domes I have what's supposed to be the white border, where I'll also have two groups of hellebores that, as you can see, do not match with the white color scheme. But I don't mind, I just love these flowers. On the left side of this border I grow a variety called Double Ellen Pink. Here you see how I've repeated groups of hellebores within the garden. This is the view from the terrace and the kitchen window. From here I can also see the right corner of the garden with the wooden bench. The hellebores in this border aren't looking as good as they should. The flowers are covered in black spots. I believe it's a fungal disease, probably due to the enormous amount of rain we've had. In the left back corner of the garden there's another terrace where I've placed a polytunnel. Here I have my bulbs, snapdragon seedlings, and in a few weeks I will place my dahlia tubers in pots here. The reason for placing my bulbs in here is mainly to protect them from the wet weather. Let's have a look at the vegetable garden to complete the garden tour. Here I have another polytunnel where during the winter I grow lettuce. I have some rocket and corn salad that are doing quite well. It is so nice to finally have some warmer and dry weather. In a few weeks the spring bulbs will start to flower and I can't wait to show them to you. I hope you enjoyed my garden in February. Thank you ever so much for watching and please subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time.